So, this is our home for the weekend. We're just gonna leave our things and head out. So this is actually my 6th time to be here in Rome. Right now, we are on our way to have dinner. We're finally here!
È una pregnaccia. No, aspetta. Tu sei la pregnaccia assieme agli altri vostri loro. Grazie. È piglia grande, che si frega.
Giapponesi.
It's dark, never mind.
Poi una lampadina.
Sì, Tommaso, perché no? Trevi Fountain. It is the most beautiful and largest fountain in Rome. It is also one of the oldest water sources. The Pantheon. It is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. The massive columns holding up the portico came all the way from Africa. Its dome remains the single largest unreinforced concrete dome in the entire world. At about 43.3 meters, the Pantheon's dome is even bigger than the dome of St. Peter's Basilica. Perché ci sono seagulls?
Una bella domanda.
So guys, we are finally here at the Roman Forum. The Roman Forum is a rectangular plaza surrounded by the ruins of several important ancient government buildings at the center of the city of Rome. It was a multi-purpose site that accommodated various functions, such as commercial, religious, economic, political, legal, and social activities. The Palatine Hill. It is one of the most ancient parts of the city and has been called the first nucleus of the Roman Empire. So right now we're going inside the Colosseum. The Colosseum is an amphitheater built in Rome under the Flavian emperors of the Roman Empire. It is also called the Flavian Amphitheater. It is an elliptical structure made of stone, concrete, and tuff. and it stands 4 stories tall at its highest point. The Colosseum was famously used for gladiatorial combat.
We're inside.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys next time. Ciao!